Hi, Philip Griffith here with PSG Photo Solutions, and September is Save Your Photos Month. Does this sound familiar? I have photos on a bunch of old CDs, thumb drives, external hard drives, in albums, and then there's my Dropbox, my Google Photos, and maybe I've backed up to iCloud. Help! I am overwhelmed. If that's you, you've come to the right place. Before you can get started organizing your photos, you have to get them all together in one place. During week 1 of Save Your Photos Month, we'll focus on gathering your photos. Even if you aren't ready to physically gather them, making a list is a useful first step, and you'll be more prepared when the time is right to embark on the organizing. So tip number 1, let's start with a list of all the places you're storing your printed photos. Include photo albums, frame photos, photos in drawers, boxes, closets, even storage units. A written list of locations will serve as a checklist when you gather them. The other thing I want you to do is go to saveyourphotos.org and register for several mini courses and some live Q&A that will be happening throughout the month. See you tomorrow.